Hello everyone. I just wanted to show you my chatbot project. I thought it would be easier to show you on a video so you don't have to download a random executable file if you don't want to from a stranger. So this is uh, my project here. It's called MacnCheese. The name comes from the old computer's Macintosh. I was thinking about like what can I name it that it sounds similar to Macintosh, but it's not the same. So I just came up with mac and cheese. Kind of silly. It's something that I thought at the moment. So we click on it, and it's going to take a second, and it's going to open the bot. So here it is. First thing it's going to do is display a welcome message. It's going to tell you a little bit about itself and how you can quit the program. You can either type quit or exit, and it's just going to close. Um, so the way it works, it is connected to Gemini API. Um, I create a function in Python, so it gets a cleaner response to you because normally Gemini just default to generic responses like I'm a AI model, I don't have feelings and things like that. So just to make it a little more interested, I filter those answers and give it a little more um, funny response back. Um, there is another module that I have that is called Vader Sentiment that can like captures um, the emotion that the user is trying to convey, filter that emotion into 4 or 5 main feelings, and then it displays an image based on that. So, for example, if you put um, I am happy, it's going to analyze that and it's going to display a happy PNG. Or if you say I am feeling sad, it's going to get that. It's going to display a sad image. Uh, Same thing with things like angry, some questions and some different emotions, and of course it's going to reply that. It's going to give you a meaningful answer instead of just saying one AI model. Other things you can do is asking questions. So let's say, how far away is the sun? And it's just gonna display a question PNG. Another thing you can do is just asking little things. Well, tell me about you, and then it's going to again reply with a nice little conversation there. Other couple things you can do is check the weather. Um, I believe this one is connected specifically to my city in Canada. I think I forgot to make it more dynamic, but it's connected to a second API that gathers that information, displays a PNG related to the temperature and the conditions of the weather, and of course gives you the actual weather. And lastly, it has a little rock, paper, scissors game. This is just something that I did in my first semester of the software development, and I thought it would be a nice addition just to add it here. So nothing crazy. Basically, you play with mac and cheese, and depending of what you get, you either tie, you win, or you lose. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can just type quit, and then it's going to say goodbye and then close. If you're interested in trying it yourself, you can go to the Codex um, web page and then go down and you can download it here and you can see the full code there if you want to. It's going to take you to my release tab in GitHub and then you can just download it here. It's going to take it to your download section. Windows, understandably so, is going to warn you that you are downloaded a stranger's .x file. So the Windows Defender is gonna go a little crazy. You're gonna see in a second. Oh, I guess not because I already opened it. But it's going to ask you, are you sure you wanna open this? And then just click more information. Just say run anyways, and then you can try it yourself. Another thing that I've seen in other people's computers, like sometimes Windows change the name to avoid or to prevent you to open it. You can just double click and just put mac and cheese, or you can put whatever you want, but you have to remember to put that .x extension so it actually executes, and then you can try it yourself. Well, thank you for listening to me. If you have any questions about the project or how I did the code, feel free to ask me, and see you around.